In this demonstration, we'll show you how to configure SSH proxy decryption. To start, we will have to configure an SSH service, then a decryption profile, and then a decryption policy rule. The decryption policy rule for SSH will require you to create an SSH service on the firewall. To create a new service, browse to Objects, and then Services. Click Add to add a new service. We'll type Service SSH as the name. We'll leave TCP selected and then make the destination port 22. The remaining fields are not necessary for this demonstration, so we'll click OK to create the new service. The new service appears in the list. SSH traffic that matches a decryption policy rule can be further inspected and controlled by an attached decryption profile. To create or modify a decryption profile, browse to Objects, Decryption, and Decryption Profile. In this demonstration, we'll modify the inbound profile. To configure the profile with SSH settings, click the SSH Proxy tab. Palo Alto Network's best practice recommendations include selecting the following checkboxes: block sessions with unsupported versions, block sessions with unsupported algorithms, and block sessions if resources not available. The remaining checkbox can be selected based on your needs. When you're finished, click OK to close the inbound profile. To configure an SSH proxy decryption policy rule, browse to Policies and Decryption. We'll click Add to create a new policy rule. On the General tab, we'll name the policy rule SSH outside to inside. The remaining fields in this window are optional. Click the Source tab and configure your traffic match conditions. For the source zone, we'll select outside. Then we'll click the Destination tab and select inside as the destination zone. On the Service URL Category tab, we'll select the service SSH. To finish, click the Options tab. We'll select Decrypt to ensure that the firewall attempts to decrypt any traffic matching this policy rule. For the type of decryption, we'll select SSH Proxy. Next, we'll attach our inbound decryption profile to the rule. After clicking OK, the new policy rule appears in the web page. When you are finished, be sure to commit your configuration changes.